Nava S23 is the only machine in the world that can split trees and split firewood directly on the spot. You can adjust the length of the firewood from 25 to 50 cm using the adjustment bar very easily. From the same company, the Nava H60 is a powerful firewood splitter specifically designed for large logs and requires a lot of power. The blade cuts into 24 sections designed to effectively utilize the separation force. Log cut MCS40 wood processing machine can cut in parallel with 3 high-capacity circular saws. It can cut logs up to 50 cm in diameter, easily changing length in 30 seconds. With a 30 kW electric motor, the machine is capable of processing more than 25 cubic meters per hour. The Pezzolato TLA13 firewood processor is a high production equipment for processing large logs and bundles. With a diverse cutting wedge design, the Pezzolato TLA13 can cut logs of different diameters, up to 510 mm. Hucky Pilk 38 Pro's easy controls and advanced cutting system make it a top choice among manufacturers. This machine can split even the hardest wood into high-quality firewood with a splitting cycle of only 3 seconds. The 12-way saw blade can flexibly handle logs with a diameter of 32 to 50 cm. It's amazing that Easton made the largest firewood processing wedge ever can process up to over 2 tons of wood per hour. This is truly a great invention, helping us effectively convert firewood into a clean energy source. You are watching the Lock-On Firewood line in action. They work in harmony from the stage of bringing in wood to the final product, firewood. This made me unable to take my eyes off. It is great to see the firewood processing line working continuously and consistently, bringing incredible value to the industry. The Woodpecker RP300 firewood processor is designed to cut and split tree trunks up to 20 cm in diameter. This machine has hydraulic puller rollers with adjustable feed so you can get pieces of wood from 20 to 50 cm long. Hucky Pilk 55's wood splitting screen is beautiful. The multi-directional saw blade allows cutting large logs up to 92 centimeters in diameter. In Norway, the Romek firewood processor is an extremely popular device. With a separate 3-jaw design, easy to change splitter head and splitter, it provides high-performancing firewood handling work. Horizontal F80 horizontal sectioning machine with capacity of 80 tons, capable of dividing wood into 16, 24 or 28 pieces. It can easily cut logs up to 1.35 m in length and 80 cm in diameter. The processing capabilities of firewood processors are undeniable, bringing convenience and high efficiency to every production process. The Cyclone 130 wood chipper is capable of chopping wood trees up to 10 centimeters in diameter into small pieces for heating. I think you'll love this Transsaw 350 XLS. This is a semi-automatic circular saw blade firewood saw designed in the UK with unique features to produce high-quality firewood. Logs up to 15 cm6 long can be processed with minimal twist. This homemade firewood processing machine with human assistance can cut small and medium-sized trees into small firewood logs. This is an interesting invention that helps reduce human labour. In Finland, the cold weather requires a huge amount of firewood for heating. Pilkmaster Super is an automatic firewood handler with cutting blades that solves that problem. All you have to do is place the end of the log on the feed rollers and let the machine do the rest. In equipment to cut, split and transport firewood directly onto your trailer.